Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So I have a 5x7-inch canvas and an experiment I want to do with some gold and some blue. I'm not sure how this is going to work at all. But I am inclined to grab my small spatula That's Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. And I wish I had a gold cell activator that I trusted. I might still try one. It's very old. Now I need a flow agent, so I'm going to use my freshly made up This experiment may not be what I'm expecting, because I have a black canvas that's pre-primed and dry, ready to go. And that's not how this is going to work. This is Oriental Blue, which is not moving freely. And Egyptian Blue. And Cerulean Blue. Which I should have shaken up, which might be a problem. All those places you see bubbles is just basically the liquid coming out of the top. I'm going to throw a little bit of Midnight Shadow in. Try and shake it a little. And last but not least, I'm going to throw something turquoisey color. Although I still want some mystical mystique. Now this could be a complete cluster, but I think I'm going to try the cell activator right after I add some cyan aqua. I want to just use the gold as cell activator and it might work, but I can't rationalize doing it right now. Okay. Do I have a wide enough spatula? That's still not wide enough. But this is perfect. Now you could do this with a little acetate card too. I like to make sure so I want it on the left side. And I want it open. This is one of those videos I'm not sure anybody will ever see. I'm also not sure that I'm not going to make green. Looks like something I might still be willing to try. I'm going to grab my silicone rubber tools. I'm probably going to tip this, but I'm so happy to see those cells, I can't tell you. Throw those things in the bucket. Let everything tip and see what happens. I might get dendrites in that gold. Kind of want to take my finger, make sure everything goes to the bottom. And then I've got a new tool, something I salvaged from other stuff. It's just got a rounded tip. That looks like bubbles. I don't want to do too much down below because I like all the cells I've got. I've got some paint dripping down on my edge, which is conveniently covering it, at least now that I've squished it flat with the spatula. I'm going to have to do that on the other side as well. And if I have any left over, I'll just do the bottom. I'm going to quick hit it with a torch because there are bubbles. Throw a few spirals in because I can. I don't know what this is, but it's very round on the end and it's stuffed onto a straw. One more, fix it up on the edge. Alright, let's give it the old, that's pretty impressive actually. I'm loving all the different colors together. I think I'm going to put just a little bit of Decor Gold up there. I could certainly do the other edges tomorrow, which is my intention. The only thing I don't like is this thing I'm looking at right here, which I think just will be cured by another spiral. There. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.